Hi guys, it's Richardlizhu, and in today's video we're going to be looking at exactly what's inside an ergonomic wrist rest. Let's get started. When I got these to work from home, I felt around inside and I'm always wondering what's inside, right? Is it little beans? What exactly is it, right? So actually when I was playing with this wrist rest the other day, it actually started to come apart at the seams here. And so I thought we'd take this great opportunity to see exactly what's inside this wrist rest. So as you can see, it's falling out already, but these are just little plastic beads. They're kind of lentil shaped and lentil sized, actually. I don't know if you can kind of tell. It's kind of the size and shape of a lentil. And that's exactly what's inside a ergonomic wrist rest. So I thought I'd just make this quick video. Since my thing ripped, I'll put these back in, stitch it up, and won't waste a wrist rest. Just in case you were curious, this is exactly what's inside a ergonomic wrist rest. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.